I hope all is well. Today is going to be on USAIN boat and Cassie, and today is Cassie's birthday. So for her gift to us, she's gifting us with the picture of their daughter, and her name is Olympia lighting bowl. At first I was like Olympia, then I realized it's not PH, it's PI, so it's Pia. Alright, and this is what the USAIN bowl writes on its Instagram, wishing Cassie a happy birthday, and it reads, I want to wish my girlfriend at Cassie B a happy birthday, and to let you know I am happy I get to spend your special day with you. I want nothing but happiness for you and will continue to doing my best keeping a smile on your face. Now we have started a new chapter together with our daughter Olympia, lighting bowl. I look forward to what the future will bring for us. But you are sure that I will be the rock for this family. I love you and happy 21st. Happy 21st birthday. I'm laughing because she's always 21. That's inside joke between him and Cassie B. And I must say she is a beautiful little girl. She looks exactly like Cassie, but if you look on her nose and her mouth, right between the nose and her mouth, you can see a little bit of bold coming in. So you know, as she grows, you will see her features change more and more. So once again, congrats to the couple and happy birthday, Cassie.